Hi friends, I'm Raghu and let's look at the markets today. The markets are just in the flat territory for most of the day today. Right now it's trading around 5100 level. After the rally of yesterday, today the markets are consolidating around these levels. Once again, the stocks that are moving in the market are the two wheelers. I've been mentioning about two wheelers for the past few days, Hero Honda came up with Hero Moto Corp came up with excellent results, and then Bajaj Auto came up with excellent results. Now even TVS Motor results are pending, so they might also come up with very good results. So you can expect TVS Motors to go up to 75. Currently, it's trading at around 66 levels. Other than this, even Reliance has moved up to 850. So there is a general sense that there will be a breakout in the market. Another factor that is helping the buying in the market is the dollar effect. Today the rupee has just dollar has just cost 50 rupees, which is the 2.5 year low for the rupee. So definitely FIS might put in money into the markets, although it is going to be a very big negative factor in the long term, because you have to your imports, that is the crude oil or whatever, you have to buy it at very high price. So unless this rupee falling trend doesn't stop, inflation might still be, inflationary pressures might still be there. So definitely over a period of time this is going to affect us. But as of now, this might create some buying in the market. But again, as I mentioned, for the past few weeks, 5160, 5170 is the resistance level for Nifty. So definitely you can go short at those levels. And I don't think the expiry is next Tuesday, so for this expiry month it is going to cross that level. However, as I mentioned, specific stocks, that is two wheelers, you can buy. Other than this, if you have any questions or queries, contact me at money@highbiz.tv.